Hello everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. If you're new here, welcome. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. If you are already subscribed, I'd like to thank you so much. It really means a lot to me that you subscribed and you come back and watch my videos. All right, today we're gonna unbox another Gadget Discovery Club box. Okay. Here we go. This is what the box looks like today. And let's check it out, see what's up. Alright guys, this is what I got today. It is a wireless tripod and selfie stick. And I love stuff like this. I already have a tripod and something that's kind of like a selfie stick, but not really. Maybe this will be good. I can always use different stuff like this for my channel and my Instagram. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. It opens up like this. It extends. Different sizes. So it opens up like this. You put your phone in there. But I'm using my phone to record this video right now, or I'll put it in there. There's a button here. Push that button to take a picture. Right, so, oh, here's the tripod. Push it down like that. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little tripod. And it extends. I like this. I get some good views here. So I could just hold it up when I get a good selfie, like so. That's cool. It's long. That's how big it is. So yeah, I think it's some good angles there. It says remote. Here's the remote. So I guess if it's pulled out like this, you got your phone hooked to it. You just push that button. Alright, so you pair it to your phone and then you can take your pictures remotely. So that's good. That's cool. So I will definitely try this out and let you guys know about it. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.